This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, continuing with Picasso's guitar. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step assembly instructions as well as all the supplies needed to create your cardboard guitar. To begin, using glue, attach the base and the center of the body of the guitar together. Next, attach the neck to the body. The larger of the several rectangular pieces of cardboard is for the headstock. Using the additional smaller pieces of the cardboard, add accessories and designs to your guitar. Remember to be generous with the glue to ensure all the pieces are well secured to one another. Don't worry, the glue will dry clear. Next, you will attach the piece of cardboard with the strings to the headstock from the top, and the string peg on the body of the guitar, sandwiching it in between the two smaller rectangular cardboard pieces. Allow the guitar to fully dry before handling. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative ideas.